This video is going to have a look at a practical application of the compound interest formula and demonstrate how you can apply it to be able to calculate depreciation. Now, when businesses buy plant and equipment, the value of that plant and equipment depreciates over time. That decrease in value is called depreciation. Now, depreciation is normally calculated as a percentage of yearly value of the item. Now, assuming that the value decreases by the same percentage each year, the value of an item after a period of time can be calculated using the compound interest formula. So the compounding period per year is going to be 1. So let's have a look at how the compound interest formula is going to apply. So the formula for depreciation is going to be A equals P and then 1 minus I to the power of N. So you can see here there's a slight change to the normal compound interest formula, and instead of being plus I, it is going to be minus I. Now this change is because the value is decreasing and not increasing. So if we're looking to decrease a value by a compounding percentage, then it's going to be 1 minus I. So A is going to be the amount after the period of time, P is going to be the original cost of the plant and equipment, I is going to be the yearly depreciation rate, and N is going to be the number of years. So let's have a look at an example of how we can apply this formula to be able to calculate depreciation. So in the example, a farmer purchases a tractor, which is an item of plant and equipment, for $115,000. The value of the tractor depreciates by 12% per year, and we want to find the value of the tractor after 5 years. So first step is to go through and define all of the variables. So the amount over 5 years is what we're trying to find. The original cost is $115,000. The depreciation rate is going to be 12%. So as a decimal, that's going to be 0.12. And our number of years is going to be 5. So now that I've defined my variables, I can go ahead and write my formula. So A is equal to P, then 1 minus I to the power of N. So going ahead and substituting in my values, my starting amount is 115,000. 1 minus 0.12 to the power of 5. So that's going to equal to 115,000 times 0.88 to the power of 5. So using my calculator, I can work out that that value is going to be $60,689.17. So the value of the tractor after 5 years for the farmer is going to be $60,689.17. And because it is a word question, I need to write a word answer. So the value of the tractor after 5 years is $60,689.17. So that's an example of how we can use the compound interest formula in a practical application to calculate depreciation.